Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to renew your license online in Florida. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to confirm if you are eligible to renew in Florida, and you can basically renew up to 18 months before your license expires. But if it has been more than 18 months, you'll need to retake the written and the road tests. And second of all, you have to gather all your information, such as the proof of your identity, like a current driver's license, or at least your passport, or your social security number. And then you have to choose your renewal method. So you can basically renew online through the Florida DMV website by just entering your information and pay the renewal fee, and you'll be all set. And the other option will be renewing in person. So if you cannot renew online, you had to head to your local DMV office with all your necessary documents that we've talked about. And in some cases, you might need to retake the written or the road test, especially if it has been so long since the last time you renew, or if you might have like a specific medical condition. So yeah, just follow these steps step by step, and hopefully you'll get your driver's license renewed. So that was it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.